Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on YouTube. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed searching on YouTube app, we click on settings. In the first page, you can click on apps and you can click on YouTube app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.